In today's video I'm going to continue with the die filer project, and I'm going to take a look at the file carrier, the part that will actually hold the files for filing. This will become the carrier for holding the files. I did intend originally to silver solder this assembly together, which is why I bought out the internal undersize to reduce the amount of material to heat up during silver soldering. The problem with silver soldering is that if you don't heat it up fast enough, you burn off the flux and then it becomes a bit of a problem. So anyway, I subsequently decided to get it welded up, and the local blacksmith did the welding for me. Since my last video I've shortened this to the correct length, this shaft, and I've made this extension piece which I will bolt to the main column, make it a solid assembly, so that works like that. So it gives us an additional bearing, but I'll have to find a way to lubricate that, although these are oil-light bushes, so they're self-lubricating. So the underside of the file carrier has got a bow, so this becomes a skirt which goes over that column, thus preventing any filings getting anywhere near the bearing. So that will reciprocate up and down there. It doesn't fit the right position yet because it has to be bored out. So the idea was to clamp this to this shaft using a cotter pin. This is a cotter pin that you use on bicycle pedals. So I've bored out to fit into there. So once I get this bored out to size, that will fit on there, and the idea is I'll put a flat on here and we'll use this cotter pin to clamp it in place. That's provided I've got all my maths right. That remains to be seen. So once we have that in place, we then need a method of clamping the files. So the files will be in a 25mm diameter holder, which will fit into here, and this will be a clamp arrangement. So to make the clamp arrangement, I've got a shaft here which will fit into there. This is 5/8 diameter, 16mm. It's just short of the end, so I can put this bolt on the other side. So this is actually drilled and tapped. Take this out again. So the clearance drill goes in halfway because this is going to be split, and then for another 15mm it's threaded. So put that in there. As I said, this is just shy of the end here, so when I put this bolt in and tighten it down, it clamps it together. That's nice and tight, and we'll put that in the lathe. .01. That should do. I've snookered at myself. I've hit the hole on the inside. Ah, there we go. Try not to do that again. Okay, that's 19, so that's one more to come off. This should be on size. Oh yeah, that's nice. Is it safe to take out? Yeah, I think so, nothing else to do. Take this apart. Okay, so we'll give this a try. So one is threaded, which will go in the back. The one with the through hole goes in the front. So I've made up one file ready for fitting with an adapter. So we'll drop in, put in a bolt, lovely. So the cotter pin appears to have an angle of 5 degrees there. Got that set over at 5 degrees, 5.1, 5.2, near enough. That should be good. See if it fits. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. That seems to do the job. Yeah, happy with that.